I am getting up. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Pattern Topic Vocabulary. I am. This is video 1 in this series. So be sure to see all the videos in this series. Let's start. I am getting up. I am shaving. I am getting dressed. I am making breakfast. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to work. I am going to bed. I am a mail carrier. I am a nurse. I am a student. I am listening to music. I am skateboarding. I am doing a puzzle. I am happy. I am angry. I am full. I am not so good. I am a mother. I am a grandmother. I am on an airplane. I am riding a bicycle. I am taking a bus. I am having lunch. I am drinking water. I am dusting. I am watering the plants. I am feeding the dog. Now it's your turn. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets we do in our live stream classes. Go to my Patreon, get the worksheets, come to the live stream classes. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.